Yes.
We have taken steps again, but we have not received response from and the
Oh,
embassy.
with regard to the clarification.
Yeah, we have got the clarification and we have forwarded it to the embassy also, my lord, through our official. So,
So
your
when you
lordship,
want,
next week,
for
my lord,
Monday,
after 1 week, yes,
Monday,
Monday.
Monday,
my lord.
it is represented by Advocate General that the corrected order copy has been received and that communication has already been sent and that there is yet to get a response. At his request, call the matter on 29th of this month.
Grateful, my lord.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
Yes.
Lordship, I am praying for further 3 weeks' time to file additional affidavit in this matter.
My lord, I am appearing for the respondent.
Yes, he wants time. Yes, at the request of so and so. Petitioner post the matter. So and so date. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4.
Yes.
Lordship, I pay for further 2 weeks' time to file my counter affidavit. I am appearing on behalf of newly appointed respondent number 4 and 5, Lordship.
The request of respondent 4 and 5. Time is granted to file the objections. Yes.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
May I please, Your Lordship, in regards to this matter, it is we have prepared a paper book, but it is not yet done. So, pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Is it POCSO or 302?
No, 302.
So the request of the appellant to file the paper book, post the matter on so and so date.
Obliged.
Item number 6.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, so far we haven't received a paper book.
Not received or not filed?
This is the request of the appellant. Of the appellant.
Yes,
Madam.
Lordship.
Is it legal aid matter?
Legally, yes, lordship, legal matter.
So, registry is directed to prepare the paper book within a period of 4 weeks.
Paper book is already ready. Paper book is ready.
Already ready.
But she hasn't received yet.
Oh, so it is, so change.
You haven't received it.
So Lam, change it. The counsel for the appellant submitted that she has not received a copy of the paper book. Registry is directed to forward, hand over a copy of the paper book to the appellant. Post the matter on so and so date for hearing.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Daily list, item number 1.
May it please your lordships. Lordships, I'm praying for some accommodation in this matter today, lordship. A senior conducting counsel has personal difficulties because his mother is not keeping very well.
On pre-made by the legal counsel for the the counsel for the respondent has submitted that the Learned Senior Counsel, Mr. K. Paul, who is conducting the matter, is indisposed on grounds of personal difficulty. As such, accommodation is sought for in this regard. On the same not being objected to by the petitioner, matter is adjourned. List the same after 1 week.
Highly
I'm like,
apologize.
that's not at all required. Yes, not at all.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. Your lordship, we pray that this matter may come up after 2 weeks, your lordship.
Okay, Lordship. No objection.
Matter has not been heard.
No, your lordship.
Pre-made by the petitioner. This is matter of 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Daily list item number 1.
Lordship, in view of the CRPC having been repealed, Your Lordship, whether this application can be taken up today or because this has been filed under section 439 of the old act.
I think this issue has to be decided by,
On the 29th, Your
Division
Lordship,
bench.
before the different bench.
since I'm party of the there.
Then
If I pass
pending,
one order
Lordship.
here and one order there,
Let's see. Then Captain Avian's Lordship.
we'll take up maybe on the 2nd. Ready. On pre-made by the parties, let's just matter on 2nd.
Masab.
Item number 2.
Yes, sir. My lord, here we have taken steps, my lord, as against all the respondent, my lord.
This is same issue.
No,
You-
no,
you
no
quote
same
old
issue.
code?
No, no same issue. It's only on the, they had served notice on the private respondents and they're supposed to file an affidavit regarding compliance with the notice.
My lord, we have got the status.
This matter is, I mean,
No,
before
prior-
the.
before.
No, when have you filed this matter, Mr.?
Well, we have filed for transit bail, my lord.
No, when have you filed it?
We filed this, which date we had filed this? This matter was filed
In June.
June.
in the month of June, my lord.
Prior to.
So far
So
as, my
now
lord,
what remains?
the status is, my lord, the status of service in so far as, my lord, 2 and 3 is concerned, my lord, the service has is complete, my lord.
2 and 3.
Consignment has been received by the addressee, my lord. And so far as 4 is concerned, my lord, we are yet to receive.
You see, I fail to understand. No, I mean, you see, the parties would help me here. This is an issue of transit bail. When this court is well within its jurisdiction to pass an order in such regard, in such matter can be, disposed of. Because transit bail is what? It is only to allow you
To allow me, my lord,
to protection to approach the competent court
jurisdictional court.
outside the jurisdiction of this court, some other states. Now, if you rate these people as, the other parties who are not from the state as parties, they will have to appear, they may not respond, so on and so forth. It's just a matter of, it prolongs the, the proceedings.
Absolutely.
So I don't understand.
Since they have
Are they
already
necessary parties as such, Mr. Khan?
Technically speaking, Lordship is correct. They should not have been made, but since they made a party and court has passed an order, so Lordship, we can wait for a date, let the notice be complete, or let them file an affidavit of completion of service notice. And after that, as the Lordship says, Lordship will pass an order.
No, but you see, once they've been arraigned as party,
They
once
have,
notice is issued,
absolutely.
you see, notice has to be affected.
At least completed and affidavit filed. After that, on that particular date, your Lordship can
That
take a
is
call.
a different matter.
And he's rightly submitting, Lordship, some other respondents yet to be, there's no instruction whether it's completed or not. So let us complete the notice part and let's see whether they respond well and good. If they don't respond, Lordship will take a call.
will file an affidavit to the effect, my lord.
No, as far as 2 and 3 is concerned.
2 and 3 and concerned, but 4, my lord, will ascertain as to whether service is complete or not, my lord. And
then you can file an
if
affidavit.
required, and also for 4, my lord, after the inquiry, my lord, will file an affidavit to the effect.
Mr. S. Thapa, counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the notice issued upon the respondent number 2 and has been affected.
What is required?
Oh. See, there's an office note which says that notice on respondent 2 has returned. I think this also, it says on the envelope, it says receiver refuse. Refuse, apa ni tu envelope tu? Oh, refuse. Receiver refused.
Lordship, if
It's
it's
as good as delivered.
Lordship, but if it's refused, then maybe they have to follow up with the normal procedure.
My lord, in that case, the inference can be made, my lord, that it has been delivered.
Yes, it will.
That can be done, but
if you see, if the presence of the respondent 2 would have a material impact.
Yes,
as
Lordship is
far as
correct.
the issue, the facts of the case or merits of the case is concerned, then. But again, I repeat myself.
Yes.
It's
Lordship
just because issue of transit.
Yes.
This court at the first instance would have granted you.
Yes.
What is there? It is not for the court to decide on the merits of the case.
This is a
whether you are entitled
transit.
to bail or not. That is not for this court. That, see, that much liberty you, but then you have complicated the matter. So that remains it.
That remains, yes.
So, I know 3 and see here, even on respondent 3 and 4 also the office note would say that AD card of respondent 3 and 4 has not been received.
Not been received means we have to ascertain, my lord, whether
Yes.
it has been delivered or not. To that effect,
But
we'll
now
make
you
an
are saying
inquiry.
that
My
you
lord,
are
as per the my lord, my lord, the internet, the website, the status report that is shown as delivered, my lord.
Then file an affidavit.
We'll file an affidavit to that effect, my lord.
the thought coba tu kayu orang kumno tu respondent 2 has returned with a note on the envelope. I quote, receiver refused. Accordingly, the General Counsel would submit that the notice may be deemed to have been served. As far as respondent 3 and 4 are concerned, the General Counsel has submitted that interim order pass will remain in force until further orders, until the next date fix.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
You give it to Masoom.
Item number 3.
You give it to Masoom.
Please, Your Lordship. This is the contempt petition, my lord. Now, I am entering appearance for the sole respondent. Now, my lord, Your Lordship, what is the contempt? If Your Lordship come to page 29, 51. Only against this, my lord, they have come.
51.
29. 51.
Para 51.
As far as the third financial aggregation is concerned, the petitioner as due, the Nehu shall process this expeditiously, considering the fact the matter has travelled quite some time before this corner, because this was the only direction. Now they are saying that we have not done it. Now, my lord, number one, Lordships, this judgment was passed on 31st October, Your Lordships, last year. Now, my lord, what happened in the meantime? Well, if it is due, my lord, this is an old matter. We are looking into the files. In the meantime, last month they have filed an appeal, not us. Against this judgment, they have only filed an appeal. Now, this appeal was, my lord, initially before, my lord, the Chief Justice and my lord, Justice Bhattacharjee. But Justice Bhattacharjee, my lord, for some reason, recused from the case. So, this matter will again come up, provided there is a available bench, my lord, take up this matter. So, my lord, when the appeal is pending, Your Lordships, my lord, where is the question?
Naturally.
They have filed. It's not us that we have filed. And other thing also, my lord, if it is due, my lord, definitely, my lord, we will process and we will pay.
Yes, miss, what do we do?
My lord, unless if lordship can close this matter.
Lordship, if I near can, if the party may file their affidavits, Lordship.
What affidavits?
What, my lord? I can give the writ appeal number. It's a fact. They have filed the appeal, my lord. I
Lordship,
appeared there in that
You
case.
know very well. See, you know the law. Or you know the
Appeal has been filed, my
principle.
lord. Otherwise, I would have
Once an
filed an
appeal-
affidavit.
Once an appeal is filed,
Lordship.
see, the entire judgment is in question.
dear.
So
Lordship.
there is no question of again extracting part of the judgment and saying that this is under contempt.
And this is, my lord, again, one thing, my lord, we have not filed the appeal. Nehu has not filed the appeal. They have filed the appeal. And another thing, my lord, there is no timeline. But even then, I understand we are supposed to do it expeditiously. No problem, my lord. If it is due, my
You
lord.
can do it. In the meantime, you see, there's no bar for you to do it.
No, that's so. With this, your lordship can close this matter.
Lordship,
You
if
see,
I-
see, what we miss, what we do is this. Mr. Sen is here. He is a counsel for the respondent. If he says in court that as and when,
My lord, till date, no steps has been taken by them, my lord. The judgment
they
has
said
been passed.
they said they'll do it.
My lord,
They said they'll do it.
my lord, let them
Mr. Sen, what you can do?
file an affidavit, my lord, to the
But
defense.
why she is forcing me? What for I'll file an affidavit?
Forget the affidavit. This court may call for the affidavit, but in the meantime, Mrs. Yes,
Lordship, if
get
lordship,
a,
no,
get,
if,
a,
no.
get a possible time.
No, my lord, I have something. If your lordships, my lord, if it is due, my lord, lordship, give us a reasonable time, another 3 months.
Exactly, that's what I'm
No,
saying.
no, that's what I'm saying, my lord. Law officer is here, my lord. Give us 3 months time, my lord. We'll look into it.
You
And
waited
lordship close
for
it.
you waited for so long. It's not. You see, now you understand. It is not that they are not complying with the order. It is not that they are not inclined to give you your dues.
My lord.
It is only a question of timing. If they say now, the court will record. If Mr. Sen says 3 months, we'll give them 3 months,
My lord.
and the matter ends there. We'll close this
My lord,
matter.
let it come up tomorrow, my lord. I'll just seek instruction. My lord may close it by tomorrow, my lord.
He's giving you that much concession.
Lordship, my difficulty is, my lord, leading counsel is, arguing counsel is Miss Paul. So, my lord, I have to take instruction. My lord.
Yes, you are competent enough. Your colleague is competent enough. What is
My
that?
lord. My lord may fix it tomorrow, my lord. My lord may
If you
close
don't
it.
take up this matter of this kind, then what will you do?
My lord.
Nothing. You see, nothing will be decided on merits. Only what has been submitted at the bar, that will be taken. If 3 months time is required, 3 months time.
My lord, my lord.
If you feel so, maybe you can press for 2 months time. But even then, you see, they are willing to do it. I think that is what the impression that the courts get.
My lord, may kindly fix it tomorrow, my lord. I'll just take the necessary
But
instruction.
in any case, if it is done tomorrow, then you either through your law officer or whoever is a competent authority, get a specific timeline. And if they can assure, fine.
No, my lord. If it is due, my lord, we are under obligation because we have not filed an appeal. Otherwise, my lord,
My lord, the
if some
appeal is
grievance,
in
they have
regard to, my lord,
filed.
first and second MSCP, my lord.
They have
First
filed
and
the
second,
appeal.
my lord has rejected our prayer for first and second MSCP, my lord.
They have
We have
filed the
prepared
appeal and they have
to
come
that
here. It's not that we have filed an appeal.
Funny situation.
My lord.
On primary parties, this matter tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I'll get the instruction.
Item number 4.
Why did you take that?